Hello everyone, in this lecture we will show doing some simple mathematics using C programming languages using the operands learned in the previous lecture. Let's take 5 integers: a equal to 5, b equal to 10, c equal to 25, d equal to 35, e equal to 3. Okay, we want to find the average of these 5 numbers. Average, we should take a variable named average. Okay, what should be the type of this variable? Should it be integer? No, because the average can be floating point number. So we have to make the type of average variable as float. Okay, average equal to a plus b plus c plus d plus e divided by 5, general 5 numbers. Okay, average equal to, what's the placeholder, percentage f average. Okay, the result is 19. Have we missed something? Probably the decimal part after dot is not showing. Why? In C programming language, see, this part is integer as it's adding all the integers. This part is also integer, and in C there is a special and interesting term called automatic typecasting. While doing the calculation, these integer and these integer between these two operands, the result is automatically typecasted to integer. That means the integer result part is kept and the remainder part is dropped. So the output of this operand will only keep the result part and it will drop the remainder part. So average only pins or finds the integer result part. Then there are a number of zeros after the dot. Why? Because average is a floating point number. It's a floating point variable, and we have printed the value using percentage f. So though there are a number of zeros after dot, we didn't get the actual value after dot. How can we get that? The programmers are also more intelligent than the compiler. We will typecast the value to float so that the calculation is done in float. Now see what happens. 19.60. Okay, here we go. Okay, now we have typecasted our result to floating point number. So the result will be float. It will not miss any data due to integer calculation. Okay, let's do another mathematics. Let's write an equation in comment: x square plus bx plus c. Very familiar equation from your high school algebra. Okay, how can we find the value of x? You know the formula? Oh, everyone knows it. X equal to minus b plus minus sqrt b square minus 4ac. Okay, 4ac divided by twice a. How can we use it? How can we code this? Convert this into a C code. Okay, float x, integer a, equal to, well, let's write an equation. X square plus 5x plus 6. What's the result of this equation? What's the value of x? Probably minus 3 and minus 2. Let's see. So a equal to 1. Oh. Let's comment out these lines. Otherwise, we will get error as we are rewriting the variables. Okay. We are commenting out. Sorry. The error lines. Integer a equal to 1, b equal to 5, and c equal to 6. What is the value of x? X equal to minus b. We cannot write plus minus at the same time in programming language. Let's first calculate it. Plus minus b plus minus square root sqrt. You see there is a function sqrt that computes the square root of a value. As you see, the definition of function. Sqrt is a function. It takes a double parameter as input, and it also gives a double as an output. Let's write here b square. B into b minus 4 into a into c minus b, okay, divided by twice. Or we take another bracket, surround the whole thing inside bracket and divided by 2 into a. Okay, printf x equal to percentage f x. What will we get? Let's see. 2 minus 2. Okay, and if we put here minus in place of 5, probably we'll get 3 minus 3. Yeah, we got minus 3. We are done. We are done. Let's finish our lecture here. We'll see you in the upcoming lectures and upcoming tutorials. Keep watching, and if you have any question, don't forget to ask me through email. You can also suggest how can I make these tutorials more and further better. Thank you all. See you again.